What's good with y'all? It's La Shane the Dark. You know I love the rain, so it's raining man hard. You know what I mean? I'm just making it do what it do, man. You feel me? Just walking in the rain, doing my shit. I'm parked up. Y'all hope everything is good with y'all. You know what I mean? Just keep building and don't let suckers bring your vibration down. You feel me? And just keep focused, keep low the company. If you're not subscribed, subscribe on YouTube. It's KEEPE/LO. I'm La Shane the Guard. I do videos on street legends and I do videos to drop knowledge to help you elevate. And yo, stay sucker free and don't let no suckers bring your vibration down. You know what I mean?